Alright guys, hey, coming here, don't never have too much help, but need to get the door on here. I got it all body work now. I gotta get it on here. So I got a pad on my jack stand. So I just want to put this on the jack stand, guys. Roll this in. I'm going to take my time. See how far I need to come up here. Bring it in a little closer. Always good if you got two people. Alright, so now I'm going to push this in. A little closer. Alright, so I just want to get that started on top and on the bottom. Alright, I'm going to let this down a little bit. That's going to let the bottom of that door go in. Alright. I'm still going to have to do adjustment on this door, guys. Alright, so I pretty much got that door set on there now. I just got to come in now and I'm going to tighten it down and then see what the adjustments need to be. Alright, so I just got off work. Got my nice little sweatshirt on there that I most definitely don't want to be wearing in here, and I need to get this white t-shirt off of here. But I'm gonna come in and tighten this down, because all I'm trying to do now, guys, is get this door on here. The latch, is the latch on here? Yeah, the latch is on here. I just want to get this door on here And then I wanna pull this car out, and then I wanna start cleaning this garage out so I can kind of get done with the rest of the body work on the other side and clean this garage out, get this car ready for paint. All right, guys, so if you hear that little popping like that, that just means that this hinge needs to be greased up, guys. So if your door is popping, guys, don't let it, you know, keep messing around and staying like that, because trust me, eventually you're gonna just mess that hinge up. All right. I want to make sure that my latch the latch is working. All right. So wow. They got these where they just kind of almost just fall in place. So I can lift up on it just a little bit. But that's beautiful, guys. Look at that. All right, so now I can start this car up, take it outside, and then I got to start cleaning up in here, guys. That door is all done now. It's been, I did it off camera, but I sanded it twice with the high build. Put 2 coats of high build, sanded it. Put 2 more coats of high build, sanded it. It was still high in this area a little bit. I didn't show that on camera, guys. I be getting ahead of myself sometime when I'm in the moment filming and I ain't got my camera out here with me. So I had to hammer this in, because what you got to realize, guys, if you got a dent here, that dent goes up and down here. So even though you pull this out, you might have to hammer the top and the bottom in sometime to get that all to flow in the right way there, guys. So 2 coats of high build prime, another 2 coats of high build, sand it, second sand with 80 grit. Second sand I might have did. Second sand I did with 150. First sand I did with 80 grit. Second sand I did with 150. And then I put urethane on here now. So all this got to be done is 600. Mosquitoes flying around in here. 600, and this baby will be ready for paint. So yeah, it's falling in there just right, guys. She looking good. So let me hook this battery up and get this car out of here and start cleaning this garage out.